Okay, so Motos from Mastertronic. This was a game recommended by Nigel Havenhand from World of Spectrum. He posted it a couple of days ago. I've never played it, but I've seen my friend play it. So let's have a go. Right, so it's push. It's basically push. So you've got to push these three jobbies off the playing area. It's a bit of a puzzle. Got some wicked 1 to 8K music for a budget game. Round 3 already. Look at me go. Okay, there's some power pickups here, so this makes me well. I'll show you how that works in a second. There we go. If I bought this for a budget price of $199, $299, I would be very happy. There is a lot of level. I think there's 70 levels. Okay, so right now I've put my power up. Oh, M is fire. I've picked up the jump, so I'll have that in my next level. So it's a little buggy thing here I've got to push off. Oh, I've gone off the side. I don't know how many lives you get. Okay, so now I can jump, but when I land, I create cracks in the playing area and you can fall through or knock the opponents off. Yo, come on. Oh man, I thought I had him then. Get off, you little bug. Oh, there we go. Right, so now I can kind of, let's do a jump. Oh, I haven't got jump. So this will be a quick level. So I've just got one enemy to bash off. There we go. Okay. So let's put my power up. I still haven't got a jump. I can't remember what score this got in the mags. I imagine it scored for a budget game very well because it's very addictive. And it looks very good. And what a nice use of colour. I still haven't got any jumps. Yeah, I think the power of it just makes me a bit more bulky and has a bit more oomph behind my push. And this one's a bit annoying. Oh, damn. There's really quite a few Mastertronic games which I have not played. There's a lot I have, but they had a great library. Oh, I killed him then. Come on. Oh, no. One left. I didn't power up. Yes. Yes. Oh, it's kind of like a Pac-Man shape, this one. Right, let's ensure I get a jump for the next level. I can't use it yet. I need to use it when I start the next level. What? I can use it now. Oh man. Let's see if I can knock him down one level. Oh, look at that. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Yeah, I need to be powered up to get these huge discs off the screen. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Oh, I'm getting overrun. Where am I? Get off! Come on! Oh man. Level 9. Okay. Well, that was tricky. Oh, 2 have gone off already. I think. Oh no, no. My lives don't seem to be going down at the side of the screen there. Maybe there's a built-in cheat to this file. No, no. Oh, I'll have one more go and then I'll call it level 9. This is me realises level 9 on any game is pretty good for me. Oh, well, one more go. That was a bit over a bit quick. Gotta get that big disc off before the other. Oh, I'm not gonna do it, am I? All right, let's call it a day on that one. That is a fun game. That is a fun game. Nice to actually play it, and rather than look over my mate's shoulder in the 80s and he wouldn't give me a go. Very good. Very good.